the tower. The Royal Air Force without a hurt. Yes, 1966 or 7 was the 7, I think it was the entry into service of the first C-130K models. Some of which are still serving with other air arms, notably Austria. Yes, indeed, and in fact, thinking back a few years to, they used to put on a very good display with this. They still do, yes. It's come to the UK twice, I think. But we're now very much focusing on the military flying training system, MFTS. Part of that is the renewed training helicopter fleet with the Junos and Jupiters at Shawbury. But another part of that on the fixed wing side concerns the replacement of the venerable short Juno 2-1. Last saw here in 2009 final display season. Well, that aircraft has been superseded by a development of one of the aircraft that fought against the Tucano for the RAF requirement that Tucano met back in the 1980s. It's funny.